Get ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight!
Oh, that was nice. Oh, nothing.
How did I miss that?
Trying to go for launches a lot.
Oh my god, it's like I'm missing combos because
Round
they're
two.
falling through them.
Fight!
Oh my god. I didn't even ask for
Oh
that.
man, that, ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh, really? Never has a Blaze Blue card ever fucking
Round three.
friends with. That's all I gotta say, dog. Fixing this fucking round.
Oh my god, she's not getting the counter or anything.
Alright.
What the fuck are you doing? My god, what is she doing? She's jumping while I'm telling her to side
Round
step.
four.
Navia, calm down.
Fight!
Oh, because I'm...
Like, I know you're trying to insert your button because I know, like, the net play is kind of bad. But, like, calm down, dude.
Whatever, dude. You can't say you're out.
Well, just play the poke game. It usually helps.
My god, she is not doing what I'm telling her to do.
Good
This is
match,
the reason why I don't... Good game. This is why I don't like playing 5-bar things. Because it's like...
Kazama wins.
Game.
Like, I kind of figured, like, mostly when I play out, I'll be having the same issues. So what I did is,